Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat datang di Kerajinan Unik Channel. Di sini saya akan membuat sebuah konten video yang dimana di sini ada sebuah ukulele atau disebut keroncong, sama aja nih itu. Di sini saya akan membagikan sedikit video tentang cara memperbaiki gitar yang pecah, retak atau segala macam lah. Nah, di dalam video ini bahan-bahan yang diperlukan cukup sederhana ya, mudah dicari. Oke, akan saya tunjukkan dulu terlebih dahulu bagian mana yang rusak pada ukulele ini. Nah, seperti teman-teman lihat. Nah, di sini ada dia retak dia bagian pinggirannya. Dan juga sedikit pecah, cobel-cobel. Sudah lihat kan teman-teman? Oke. Nah, untuk itu bahan yang diperlukan mudah sekali, yaitu cukup dengan di sini ada lem setan, dimana orang Medan itu menyebutkan ini lem setan. Yang kedua yaitu adalah kopi. Nah, ini kopinya kopi hitam ya teman-teman, terserah mau kopi apa, cuma lebih bagusnya kopi hitam yang halus teksturnya. Oke, untuk mempersingkat waktu, marilah kan kita coba caranya.
Town to town, from London to Taiwan, I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes. town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feeling like a dynamite, ready to explore right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. Joe and